Biafran Day compliance, sit at home in the entire southeast. We respect our fallen heroes and we don't joke with them. We don't joke with them, we respect them. We respect our fallen heroes, those who died during the war. Everybody is enjoying inside his house, praying for them. You know, nobody is flouting the other. Igbo land respects the people who died during the war, a war that was unjustly prosecuted against the southeast. And today, the Igbo people are saying we are respecting our fallen heroes. And that is why everywhere is scanty. And that is why you can see that the road, this is an express road, Olu Road, nobody is here. Nobody. You can only see one or two people going for one or two things. But you cannot see the road crowded as before. So most people even went home to celebrate it in their villages. And this is to show you that, yes, there is full compliance as far as Imo State is concerned. When it comes to Biafran Day celebration, people are at home and nobody is flouting this order. So this is a total show of respect and honor to our dear fallen heroes during the Biafran War.
Today's date is 28th of May. Bear it in mind. It just remained only but 2 days. That is why I come up today to remind it for you. Yeah, my wonderful people of Biafra, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending your location, wherever that you are hearing this voice from. I am still remaining your humble brother, Ifeanyi Chukwu Okorenteze, aka Gentle the Yahoo. Please, a very quick one. It's just to remind to our people about 30th of May and the importance of it. Please, let it be remembered and remind to each and every one of us that are in homeland. Please keep 30th of May holy. Let it make clear to each and every one of us. Let it not be as if that you are not told. Let it not be as if that you are not informed. 30th of this month is total lock and key, total lockdown. Respect the fallen heroes. Respect the day that made to respect our fallen heroes. Starting from Odumegu Ojukwu, down to all the whole fallen heroes that lost their lives because of Biafran struggle. And Biafran struggle, there we are. Biafran struggle continues. The spirit is there alive. Even if at all that all the people have left, the people that left us, but still the Biafran spirit is still moving. Please, remember, do not fall the victim. Remember, do not allow anyone to deceive you. Respect our fallen heroes. Thank you and God bless you. Today's date is 28th of May. Bear it in mind. It just remained only but 2 days. That is why I come up today to remind it for you. That is why I came up today. That is why I come up today. So that you can be able to still hear and understand and still pass the information for your loved ones to hear and to understand that it is our remembrance day, Biafran Remembrance Day. God bless Igbos. God bless all Biafrans. God bless our people. God bless all the supporters of freedom. God bless all lovers of freedom all over the continent. I hail all of you. And Biafra must hail all of you. God bless Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel. God bless His Excellency Donald J. Trump and all the rest of the world leaders. I greet all of you. I still remain Ifeanyi Chukwuokorie, aka Gentle the Yahoo. Thank you and God bless you.